Hey guys, it is the year 2018. The Royal FlexPay was unveiled by a Chinese display maker we had never heard of. But it nonetheless managed to get the attention of the tech world, a smartphone with a big flexible 7.8 inches AMOLED display that can be folded and unfolded like a book. Was this the way things turn out? Following numerous leaks, Google will make its next flagship, the Pixel 6, official on October 19, 2021, giving us a good idea of what we expect. However, we have also heard reports that Google's first foldable smartphone, the Google Pixel Fold, will be introduced at the forthcoming presentation as the direct competition to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Unlike the Pixel 6, the Google Pixel Fold hasn't been widely leaked. In fact, we don't know much about it beyond a few design, patent, images and some fan-made renders. But here is what we don't know. The Pixel Fold will be quite similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 3 in terms of form factor. According to reliable leaker, the Pixel Fold will feature a big 7.6 inches Samsung OLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The phone will open and close like a book with a secondary display on the outside that is smaller. Again, current Galaxy Z Fold users and admirers should be familiar with this. Aside from design, the Pixel Fold is fascinating because Google knows and controls Android better than anyone else. In order to compete with Samsung's superb and feature-rich Z Fold 3, the search engine giant may release some specular features for its own foldable like the Pixel 6 series. In fact, it is required. Another reason to be enthusiastic about the Google Pixel Fold. Now that Samsung has dominated the folding phone industry and made foldable mainstream, there is a good probability that others will follow once another smartphone's behemoth Google announces its own foldable phone. At the very least, assuming Google's product is as popular as Samsung's. It is still unclear whether Google will unveil or demonstrate their first foldable phone on October 19th. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.